Welcome to Turtuk, a place where the very mountains seem to whisper tales of time. Nestled amongst the rugged peaks of the Himalayas, this hidden gem offers a glimpse into a world untouched by modernity. Here, life unfolds at nature's pace, where the echoes of history resonate through ancient stone and the spirit of a vibrant culture thrives. Join us now as we journey to this remote corner of the world to explore the heritage, culture, and natural beauty of Turtuk. Our exploration begins in the heart of Turtuk, where the whispers of history echo through the centuries. The very architecture of this ancient village speaks volumes, with its mud brick houses clinging to the mountain slopes, their wooden balconies stacked one atop the other like a giant staircase reaching for the heavens. These dwellings, weathered by time and wind, have borne witness to the passage of generations, each leaving their own indelible mark upon the landscape. Take, for instance, the intricate carvings adorning the wooden doorways and window frames. These are not mere decorations, but symbols passed down through generations, each telling a story of the families who once called this place home. Look closely, and you will see depictions of animals both real and mythical, intertwined with geometric patterns that seem to shift and change as the sun casts its shadows across the village. And then there are the ruins of Turtuk's ancient fort, perched precariously on a rocky outcrop overlooking the valley. Here, amongst the crumbling walls and crumbling watchtowers, one can almost hear the clash of swords and the thunder of hooves, as armies once vied for control of this strategic mountain pass. It is a stark reminder of Turtuk's tumultuous past, a past shaped by conquest and trade, by the ebb and flow of empires that once held sway over this remote corner of the world. But Turtuk's heritage is not merely confined to its physical structures. It also lives on in the stories and traditions passed down through generations of Balti people, the descendants of traders and travelers who traversed the treacherous mountain passes of the Karakoram centuries ago. Their language, a melodic blend of Tibetan and Persian, is a testament to their diverse origins, while their customs and beliefs offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Observe, if you will, the womenfolk gathered by the village spring, their brightly colored headscarves bobbing as they share news and laughter while washing clothes in the icy water. Listen closely, and you might catch snippets of ancient folk songs, their haunting melodies carried on the wind like whispers from a bygone era. These songs, passed down from mother to daughter for generations, speak of love and loss, of hardship and resilience, of the enduring spirit of the Balti people. And as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valley, gather around a crackling fire with the village elders. It is here, in the flickering light of the flames, that the true spirit of Turtuk comes alive. As they recount tales of their ancestors, of mythical creatures and daring adventures, one cannot help but be transported back in time to a world where magic and reality intertwined. So, as you wander through the narrow alleyways of Turtuk, let your senses be your guide. Breathe in the scent of wood smoke and spices, feel the weight of history beneath your feet, and listen closely to the stories whispered on the wind. For in Turtuk, the past is not merely something to be remembered, but a living, breathing presence that continues to shape the present. But Turtuk is far from a relic of the past. It is a living, breathing testament to the enduring spirit of its people, a place where ancient traditions and modern life intertwine in a vibrant tapestry of culture. Nowhere is this more evident than in the numerous festivals and celebrations that punctuate the year, each one a riot of color, music, and dance. One such festival is the Navroz Festival, marking the arrival of spring, a time for renewal and rebirth. The village bursts into bloom, as if echoing the vibrant colors of the silk robes worn by the women during this special occasion. Homes are decorated with intricate hand-woven carpets and colorful tapestries, transforming the village into a living, breathing work of art. During Navroz, the air is filled with the sweet scent of traditional delicacies being prepared in every household. From savory dumplings filled with meat and spices to delicate pastries dripping with honey, each bite is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of the Balti people. And as the aroma of freshly brewed butter tea wafts through the air, inviting everyone to partake in the festivities, one cannot help but be swept away by the warmth and hospitality of the Turtuk community. But perhaps the most captivating aspect of Turtuk's cultural extravaganza is the traditional dance forms that have been passed down through generations. Watch in awe as the men, dressed in flowing robes and elaborate headdresses, perform the energetic sword dance, their movements a blur of precision and grace. The rhythmic clash of steel, accompanied by the hypnotic beat of drums, is a sight to behold, a testament to the courage and valor of the Balti people. Each gesture, each step tells a story, conveying emotions that transcend language, drawing the audience into a world of myth and legend. So as you immerse yourself in the cultural extravaganza that is Turtuk, be prepared to be enchanted. Let the rhythm of the music move your soul. Let the colors of the costumes dazzle your senses, and let the warmth of the people steal your heart. For in Turtuk, culture is not merely something to be observed, it is an immersive experience that will stay with you long after you have left this magical place. Our exploration of Turtuk takes a delectable turn as we delve into the heart of its culinary traditions, a world where flavors tell tales as old as time. Here, amidst the rugged beauty of the Himalayas, food is not merely sustenance. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the resourcefulness of the Balti people, and a sensory journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Imagine, if you will, the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from a traditional clay oven, its warmth beckoning you closer. A hearty noodle soup that embodies the essence of comfort food. Picture a steaming bowl filled with hand-pulled noodles, swimming in a rich broth made with yak meat or vegetables, seasoned with aromatic spices that awaken the palate. Each spoonful of gyal is a symphony of textures and flavors, a testament to the culinary ingenuity of the Balti people who have perfected this dish over generations. And for those seeking a taste of adventure, Turtuk offers a unique delicacy, prapu. Made with wheat flour and yak butter, prapu is a type of porridge that is both comforting and surprisingly flavorful. The yak butter lends a rich, savory note to the porridge, while the addition of dried fruits and nuts adds a delightful crunch and sweetness. Prapu is a true testament to the resourcefulness of the Balti people, who have transformed simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. But no culinary journey through Turtuk would be complete without indulging in the sweet temptations that await. Marzan, a traditional apricot cake, is a must-try. Imagine biting into a moist, fragrant cake, bursting with the sweetness of sun-ripened apricots, each bite a celebration of the region's abundant fruit harvests. Marzan is often enjoyed with a cup of steaming hot noon chai, a pink-hued salted tea that is a staple in every Balti household. The saltiness of the tea cuts through the sweetness of the cake, creating a harmonious balance of flavors that will leave you wanting more. And as you savor the culinary delights of Turtuk, remember that food here is more than just a meal. It's a communal experience. Sharing a meal with a local family is an opportunity to connect with the heart and soul of Turtuk, to listen to their stories, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. So open your heart and your stomach to the culinary wonders of Turtuk, and let the flavors transport you to a world of pure gastronomic bliss. As we leave the charming confines of Turtuk village, prepare to be awestruck by the raw, untamed beauty of the landscape that surrounds it. Here, amidst the soaring peaks of the Karakoram range, nature unveils its most dramatic masterpiece, a symphony of snow-capped mountains, emerald valleys, and glacial streams that will leave you breathless. Imagine, if you will, standing at the edge of the world, gazing out at a panorama of jagged peaks that pierce the sky, their snow-capped summits shimmering under the golden rays of the sun. The air is thin and crisp, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers, invigorating your senses. This is the Karakoram, a realm of towering giants where time seems to stand still, and the only sound is the whisper of the wind through the valleys. Venture deeper into this natural wonderland, and you'll discover a world of hidden treasures. Emerald green meadows carpeted with wildflowers stretch out before you, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the stark beauty of the surrounding mountains. Crystal clear streams cascade down the slopes, their icy waters reflecting the azure sky, their gentle murmur a soothing melody to your ears. And as you trek through this breathtaking landscape, keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that calls this region home. Herds of ibex, their curved horns silhouetted against the skyline, can be seen gracefully navigating the steep slopes, while marmots, their furry bodies blending seamlessly with the rocky terrain, scurry amongst the boulders. Overhead, majestic eagles soar effortlessly, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below, reminding you of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. One of the most awe-inspiring sights in this region is the Shyok River, its turquoise waters snaking their way through the valley, carving a path through the rugged landscape. Take a moment to stand on the banks of this mighty river and let the sound of its relentless flow wash over you. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the forces of nature that have shaped this land for millennia. And as the sun begins its descent, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, find a vantage point and witness a spectacle that will stay with you forever. The snow-capped peaks, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, transform into molten gold, their reflections shimmering in the waters below. It's a moment of pure magic, a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of nature's canvas. So, as you explore the natural wonders of Turtuk, let go of your worries, embrace the tranquility of your surroundings, and allow yourself to be captivated by the raw beauty that unfolds before your eyes. For in this remote corner of the world, nature reigns supreme, offering a glimpse into a world untouched by time. But perhaps the most enduring memory you'll carry from Turtuk is the warmth and hospitality of its people. In this remote corner of the world, where life unfolds at a different pace, the true essence of humanity shines through in the smiles, the gestures, and the open hearts of the Balti people. Imagine being welcomed into a traditional Balti home, the aroma of spices and butter tea filling the air, a testament to their generous spirit. The floors are covered in intricately woven carpets. Here, amidst the warmth of their hospitality, you'll experience a way of life that is both humbling and inspiring. Take the time to listen to their stories, for they hold the key to understanding the soul of Turtuk. Hear them speak of their deep connection to the land, their respect for the natural world, and their unwavering faith that has seen them through centuries of change. Their resilience in the face of adversity, their unwavering spirit, and their deep-rooted sense of community will leave an indelible mark on your heart. Shopkeepers eager to share their crafts will invite you into their shops, offering you steaming cups of noon chai as they proudly display their wares. From hand-woven shawls and carpets to intricately carved wooden boxes, each item tells a story, reflecting the skill and artistry passed down through generations. Engage with the locals, ask them about their lives, and allow yourself to be swept away by their warmth and generosity. Learn a few words of their language, share a joke, and be open to experiencing a different way of life. You'll discover that beneath the surface of cultural differences lies a shared humanity, a common thread that binds us all. So, as you bid farewell to Turtuk, remember that it's the people who make this place truly special. As we bid farewell to this enchanting corner of the world, let the memories of Turtuk linger in your heart. Come, discover Turtuk, where heritage meets hospitality, culture dances with tradition, and nature whispers secrets of beauty untold. Here, amidst the mountains and valleys, you'll find more than just a destination. You'll find a piece of your heart that belongs to Turtuk forever.